Hey guys, good morning. Happy Friday, y'all. Y'all, it's Friday. How about that? It's Friday. Friday the 11th. Woo, y'all, I'm so glad it's Friday. So glad, so grateful, so thankful. Yeah, so I have to remember in today's video not to I tried to say in the beginning of the video, of yesterday's video, like I always put, hello beautiful you. There's a certain thing that I can't use because every time I use it, I had to remember that it does that. So it put that black little thing in the front of the video, but I'm kind of glad that that happened. So I guess nothing happens by mistake because, to be honest, oh, excuse me, bless me. To be honest, when I looked over the video, I think my pants wasn't all the way up like they should have been, so that was right on time. So see how God works? Yeah, I'm trying to put these shoes on. I'll show you my outfit of the day in a minute. I'm gonna get ready to go fix my oatmeal, and then I'll catch you guys up on some things around here. I don't know what's wrong with this. They're not too small, so why are you acting like that? All right, so enough of that. So guys, how are y'all doing? Today is a great day. Today is a beautiful day to do something good for yourself and to do something good for somebody else. Hold the line, please, and we'll be back in a minute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 I like it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 I like it. Y'all remember these? Y'all remember these, don't you? They came from the bins for $3. I think one time when me and Mark was there. So yeah, I'm wearing these today with this shirt that I hauled, I think last year from Goodwill. And it is one of those shirts that you can wear like this, minus the bra straps. Yeah. So guys, look at my hair. Y'all, she always have a plan. Now, I know I did the twisties yesterday for a reason. This was the reason. So I like it. It reminds me of when I was a little girl. I used to wear my hair like this when I was a little girl. Look at that. Wow, she's growing. She's growing. She's grown. Oh my gosh. Love my natural hair, y'all. And I still didn't paint my nails last night. I just did not paint them because, not that she's lazy, it's just because, y'all, I love natural. I love natural nails. I think it's just something to it. Look how long my nails got. Look at it. Well, they always get long, but I'm just saying. But it's just something to a natural look to me. That's just for me. But one day I am going to get around to it because I just have those in the nightstand, the polishes, and I did ask, and I did generate that into my realm. So yeah, I'm going to use it. But yeah, outfit of the day, y'all. Just has pockets, which I can put my keys in today. So yeah. Let's get ready to go in one of the rooms, and we're going to go see some things that I put where they belong. All right, y'all. There is the container. Like I told y'all, it's actually a flower pot. I just love the beauty of it. Look at that, the texture of it. So that's in there. I can't wait, y'all. I'm on a topiary or a real plant. I might just, like I said, I might just do real plant. But that looks good on the table. I didn't want a whole lot, like I said. So I'm going to show you guys the light. I'm in the bathroom. It's light in here from the window. Because remember, I don't know if you guys remember before, it was a board there. Mark took the board down so we could have light. I don't know why would somebody put a board up there. But I kind of get it because privacy. Because the window has the thing on it. So I guess, you know, some people are nervous about that. I get it. I get it. So guys, look. Here is the night light. You see how it's flat and flushed up against the wall like that? I love it, love it, love it. So let's go see the other ones. I got all my stuff ironed here, nice, crisp and clean, washed, all that stuff. So this one is gonna probably go over here. And then this is the shower curtain when I get ready to put it up. All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to make my oatmeal. So for all of you who are maybe new here, I'm gonna show you what I love in my oatmeal. So let's just go ahead and put the oatmeal in here first while it's still warm. Old-fashioned oats, not the quick ones, y'all. I don't like the quick ones. So we got our oatmeal. Oh, I forgot to take the butter out, y'all. Bear with me this morning. Bear with me this morning. Get all of that out of there. Waste not, want not. Okay. So, I have cinnamon I'm using. What is that in my pocket? Oh. Cinnamon. Cinnamon's good. And I have my one date that I'm going to go ahead and use so I can get rid of the container. Let me know in the comments, do y'all like dates? These are the smaller ones. I used to get the real big ones, and they taste a little funny. This one has the little, I'll show you guys. This one has like the little, can y'all see it, the little pit here? Yeah. So I keep those because I actually have some with some watermelon seeds and a mango seed, so I can plant them once they start sprouting. Okay guys, that's done. So we're gonna take our cinnamon, our brown sugar, raw brown sugar. You only need like a little spoonful because you already have the dates, so you don't need a lot. Now, let's go and get some butter. So this is the butter. This is the butter that I'm using right here. The vegan butter, earth balanced butter. And we're gonna put us a little scoop in there. And guys, this is what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, yeah, do y'all see the night light? This one is flushed. I don't know, they didn't come off. I'll show you. They didn't come off when I turned the light out. Let me turn the light out and see if it'll, well, that's what it looks like. So like I said, it's flat, flushed up against the wall. So yeah, I don't know why it didn't shut off. Hold the line, y'all. All right, guys, I guess this will be a little tea time. Y'all got y'all's, well, not a tea time, just a sit down chit chat while I eat my breakfast. Oh, I wanted to know too, have y'all been watching A Million Little Things? That's what I want to know. Yeah, let me know if y'all been watching A Million Little Things. I kind of been falling asleep on it a little bit, but I caught up to it this Wednesday, and I don't know. It's real. However, it's getting a little sad, but it's real. Guys, we have to really be careful. If you watch that show, really teaches us. Like somebody was asking me, do I watch them? When I found out what them is all about, I don't want to watch that because y'all got to remember too, we always jump on, okay, this tea time right here. We always jump on bandwagons. We do as humans. I'm not lying. I'm not doing that. I've never really been a bandwagon person. I don't want to become that. So I just try to do my own thing and have my own thoughts and my own, gravitate to what I want to gravitate that makes sense. So what I'm saying is, some of these shows, we're never going to get ahead in life if we keep watching some of these shows that make us angry, make us bitter, and things like that. You need to watch shows that enlighten you on real life stuff. Like, don't get me wrong. Some people might think them is real life stuff. That is real life stuff if you move to a neighborhood. I mean, but you gotta have common sense. I'm black, okay? I'm mixed, but I'm black. However, when it's just common sense. If my family moved to a neighborhood and we're the only ones there that's like this, come on, y'all, we already know. So when you watch that stuff, it just makes you more and more mad. And I just think it creates a problem. You should be able to move wherever you want, but them to make something like that at the time like today, where we got the George Floyd thing, we got stuff going on, we got police shooting people, we got people running over people, we got people going back to their job, killing people. All of that stuff creates panic, fear, and induces toxin endorphins in your head. That's why a lot of people are going crazy. Like, that's too much. So I just not want to watch that. But I will watch A Million Little Things because it teaches you real life family stuff, what goes on in family homes and family friendships, close friendships. But yeah, I just wanted to say that. But guys, be good to yourself so that you'll be able to good other. Be good and love yourself so you'll be able to be good and love others so this world be a much better place. So that's our tea time today. I'm having this tea that I got the other day from the grocery store that I barely shop at. And this is the Teavana crafted iced tea. This is the peach green tea flavored with other natural flavors with lemongrass and mint. So that's what I'm drinking, if you want to know. This oatmeal is really good. I'm going to take my supplements. And then it's going to be time for me to cut out. Sound like a beer. Sound like I'm opening up a beer bottle. But yeah, guys, get into it. Don't lean towards the stuff that's just not. That don't edify me. I'm sorry. It does not edify me. So I will leave you guys with that and take my supplements. This part of the video right here probably is like 6 minutes. So y'all already know. Once I get home, y'all gonna get a few more minutes. But I will bring you guys along for whatever I partake in today. So I'll see you guys shortly. Well, not shortly. I'll see you guys later on this evening. Just looking at my hair. Look at my hair. Love yourself, y'all, so you can love others. Okay? All right. Hey guys. So I just want to get into this incredible haul that I have for you guys today. So I'm kind of making an announcement because this might be the last big home haul, because basically the house is basically finished. I need 2 more light fixtures and a couple of more handles for the doors, and that's basically it. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. As you can see, I have my I found this, guys, when I was getting ready to actually check out. It was sitting right there, and this was on my list. So I got me a Casabella Deluxe Stand-Up Sweep Mop by Way Clean. So it actually goes together. You snap it in here like so, and it actually matches my my new mop set. Because my mop set is white and green and gray, and this is gray and green. So yeah, I also picked up some tissue here that is it's super soft bamboo. You get it's tree-free tissue, biodegradable, soft and strong. It's called Kaboo. This is bamboo bath tissue. You get 12, and I got them for the whole pack was $2. You can't beat that. I also fell in love with this. It took me a long time for me and my girlfriend to get this out the bag, but I told her, I said, now I can see the tag, and the tag said it was 100% cotton, but I wanted to see how long and big it was. This is Casabella, and this is a comforter set. Not a set, but a comforter for your bed. It's Casaluna from Target. It's Casaluna brand, and it's 100% cotton. So I was happy for that, and it's a queen size. So guys, this is the if you guys can see, that is the name of it, and this is the texture of it. It's so pretty. But I got that, and it's like an off-white color. And I also picked up this beautiful pillow that has the backing where you can zip it out if you want to, but I'm not going to zip anything out. You can actually wash this. This is made of 100%, no, I'll tell you in a second. Hold on, guys. This is, the front of it is 90% cotton and 10% jute. So where you see the brown is, it's like the rug is jute. So this pillow will be going in the front room with the rest of the pillows, and you have the black and white and the tans and the creams that I like. So yeah, I got this also. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to show y'all too the room that I'm going to replace. So the last thing that I got was, do y'all see this beautiful, big, beautiful piece of metal artwork? This is like a porcupine. You know how they have the little ones on the tables? I used to own one years ago. This is a big one, guys. So I'm going to hang this above the couch. that's where I want it for right now. I don't know, I might end up moving it somewhere else. But there was a lady who was so funny, she kept saying, now remind you, before I picked this up, I just seen it. But all of these were like mixed, moved over, stuck together. I moved them out myself, and guys, that's why nobody picked it up, because they didn't want to go through the metal things and move them, but I did. So this is by, let me see again, hold on. This is by Olivia May. This is a decorative wall sole. It's called the Decorative Wall Sole by Olivia May. So it actually has a little thing on the back, as you can see right here, where you can put it on the wall. You can hook a little nail on there. So yeah, I'm happy about that. So everything cost me, well, this was $10, $2, and this was $10. So I think I spent like $42. Yeah, so this is all I got today, y'all. I think it's very, very beautiful. So you guys will be seeing this in their new spaces, in their new home pretty soon. Let me show you about my broom. Hold on one second. Hold the line, please. So, do y'all see this broom? I've had this broom in my household, my family, for over, I'm gonna say maybe 6 years. But this was the same thing, but this has it's made out of a different plastic. So guys, if you can see, it's all broke right here. I just been holding on to it, and it's just all looking beat up and stuff, and then even the top has came off. So we will be putting this in the trash on trash day. So I swapped out, I got this one for this. This doesn't stand up, but this one does, and I can slide it right on the side of the refrigerator. So guys, yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. And like I said, hopefully, I might still tend to go to some of the places just to be going, like with friends or whatever, and taking some people on some, to see the store. But for right now, I kind of got the house mainly together. So yeah. So guys, let me know, what was your favorite thing today in the haul? I'm glad you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. I enjoyed hanging out with you guys. And always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I am going to be hanging up my curtains today. The curtain that I bought yesterday. I will be hanging that up. And yeah, guys, I will see you all in another video really, really soon. Hold on. If you guys want to see everything again, that's it right there. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be blessed and be grateful and be good to yourself. Bye, y'all.